eyelid circumstraight, and then as we get out towards the edge of the eye, then it curves kind of down. So it's kind of like that. And then we have this area that gradually rises and then falls to the outside. Something kind of like that. I don't want to make it too thick because the fur is going to make this pattern kind of grow on us. Let's just see how that is going to get us. I forgot to start on the left eye first. So, kind of that kind of look there. Let's see. I think I've exaggerated that corner a little too much. And then when it comes down, it's going to come in really close to that top of that pupil. So let me take some of that point off of it there. But I think this is a shape we can generally work with. What do you think?
Dennis is actually saying eyebrows will make the difference.
It might. It just might. Because it will affect our perception of that upper lip normally. So when you're working with fake fur, really have to pay attention to the nap of the fur. Which way does it appear to be growing? And it appears to be growing in this direction. You can try and comb it and change that, but you'll always be kind of fighting the natural tendency of the fur. So people's eyebrows, the hair tends to grow out this way. So we want to do that with George's eyebrows to make sure. So I can see that the fur is coming off this way, and so we're going to trace the pattern here. You know, if we made his eyebrows a little too big, that might be a fun exaggeration that we can get away with. These eyebrows are naturally going to appear bigger because they're fur. All right, and then I always have to do the math on this. The other eyebrow, we want the hair to grow out that way. So I'm gonna draw that one on too. And then we'll cut these out.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.